Hello, welcome to Python in Practice. This is a course on programming and you are going to study Python. Python is a programming language, a very modern and very easy to learn programming language, although it is very powerful. And you are going to see how powerful it can be, how powerful some of its features are. But you are going to start from the very basic concepts of algorithmy, and programming. And you are going to evolve to more complex programs slowly. You are going to feel at easy with programming. Slowly, you are going to evolve from the scratch up to a very high level of programming. You are going to study Python 3.8. Python was created in 1991 and it has been updated many times, and now the latest version is 3.8. Python is an imperative high-level interpreted programming language, and we are going to see what these mean. And Python supports two programming paradigms: the structured programming and object-oriented programming. And you are going to study the basic concepts of these two paradigms. Python programs are sets of statements. We have to tell the computer exactly what he has to do for us to get what we want. So we give him orders to do what we want to get. And these statements are written in a language very close to the English spoken language. So we say that Python is high-level language, programming language, because its semantics and its syntax are very close to a human natural language, but it has to be translated into machine language, which is the only language computer can speak. So we have to translate the Python language, the Python program we write, into a machine language program. And the interpretation, this translation, is done statement by statement. And from this translation results many times errors. It results some errors that the programmer has to correct, has to check in order to run the program. Only programs without errors can be executed, can be run. This is the table of contents we are going to cover. The first 5 topics are about structured programming and object-oriented programming. In each topic, we have between brackets, you have the number of the lesson that covers the subject, the topic. The sixth topic is just to open a space for future learning of Python language. These are references to support our course, to support this course, but you can look up for more material in the internet. There are many sites and blogs and many interesting articles published in the internet. This is something about me, not my entire CV, but something important or relevant for this course. I enjoy writing and teaching, so I've written many books on programming language and software for management, and I'm still writing a few more. I hope to hear from you soon. Email me on Python, on programming, on your ideas, on your suggestions, on your critiques, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. Thank you very much. See you soon.